Ọkụ na-amụnye ọkụ, ọ dị anyụ anyụ. Ọkụ na-amụnye ọkụ, ọ dị anyụ anyụ. Multi-life savers, home for the less privileged. Multi-life savers, hope for the less privileged. Biko ewere obere ozi nsi ka m bịa wete ka unu mara maka ozi a. Because ihe njiwe bịa ka m weta ozi a because of ekwentị akpọ m ya, mmadụ kpọ m na phone bịa na-ajụ m about Father Mbaka's orphanage home na Benin. Abụnu na amaghị ebe Benin dị na Edo State. Biko nu, Father Mbaka enweghị any orphanage home na Benin. Ya bụ internet fraudsters bụ ihe nọ na efere mba ụwa na-emeri onwe ha anya, na-ebutere onye nọrọ owu ya aja afa. Ya bụ iji afara Father Mbaka mete nsọ gwute wayo. Mana ewere ozi ọma nsị ka m bịa tọgbara unu. Ama m n'otu n'ime unu amarọ na Father Mbaka bụ onye Chukwu ji wee na-akasi ụmụ ogbenye obi. Because we need to bring the good news out on internet space for people to know and to kill that internet crime about using the name of Rev Father Ejike Mbaka to extort people of their fund, telling people that Father Mbaka has an orphanage home in Benin. Father Mbaka has no orphanage home in Benin. Father Mbaka bụ omeru ụmụ ogbenye. Obunu nụrụ oge m kwuru okwu Multi-Life Savers, home for the less privileged. Father Mbaka has a Multilife Foundation. It's an NGO foundation founded by Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. Yes, I want you to be updated. I want you to be informed that Father Mbaka has been a gift for the less privileged. He has been there right from when he has not become a Reverend Father. But he has that vision in mind, and he is what? Doing it. Father Mbaka has paid for more than 300,000 to 400,000 students. Even those he knows, even those that he doesn't know. Primary school, name them, secondary school, university, both home and abroad. As far as you have that interest to go to school, as far as you pass your JAMB, as far as you pass your WAEC, as far as you go iga school na go and they will only get na school. Father Mbaka is out there for you. Now, I want you to know that Father Mbaka has been a consoler of the poor. That is why I am calling on Nigerian government. I am calling on anybody wherever you are and you want to be a supportive hand to Multilife Foundation, home for the less privileged. Let me tell you, you are welcome because this man has suffered for the poor. This man has suffered. This man has invested more than 20 billion naira helping the poor, helping the less privileged, helping the widows, paying for house rent, paying for hospital bills. If you want what I am saying, go around the city of Enugu, ask about Father Mbaka, ask about Multilife Foundation. Go to Park Lane, go to Annexation Hospital, go to UNTH, go to Memphis, go to Posh, go to Hope Care, go to Rose Mystical, go to a lot of hospital. You know you can ask. Once you are brought in there, you will be treated. Father Mbaka, sometimes he will deposit a draft, sometimes he will deposit a check, sometimes he will pay into the hospital's account. For the available people, for an accidental victims, for people that have been in hospital for long that cannot afford to pay for their hospital bills. Father Mbaka has been doing it with joy. He has been doing it with ease. And I want Nigerian government, I want all the good people that love good things. Ebaka fucha NGO, ebaka NGO kwose. Obarakwa ndinji NGO guwayo. It's not for Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. He has not benefited anything. More than 20 billion naira he has invested is his own personal money. Nobody has contributed though. Nobody has been a supportive hand to Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. He has been doing it with joy and he's still doing it with joy. If you want to know what I'm talking about, ask the widows. Onye ga anoka to bute trailer rice, 3, 4 or trailer load of rice. Bute full trailer load of lapa, high target, Holland gigs, Nigeria wask, aneke, trailer G, ebenine, aneke. Ka na ego moto, ka na enye ego ụlọ, ka na akwụ hospital bill, ka na room ogbe na-enweghị ụlọ na be nna ha. Aje Father Mbaka je ruo ọrụ onye ahụ na onye na-ama ọrụ chọ ụlọ onye ahụ ki. Some people na-eje surgery n'obodo oyibo. Some people na-eji obodo oyibo eji agụ akwụkwọ. Some people ụmụaka with talent. The gifted into one or two things. Man the football o, man the jereba to email one or two things. Father Mbaka will sponsor them and send them out there to go and what? Be what? A joy to their parents, to be a joy to Rev Father Ebuka, and to be a joy. Agu yeru mo ogbenye aka na agụ Father Mbaka. Mbosi ọbụna o depuho check, mbosi ọbụna na-ewe ụmụ ogbenye yere aka. Or that weto owu ya. It has been his vision. That thing has been ihe dia n'ime ọma mwepụ ya. Now, this is the why I'm calling for all the people to be updated. Maka ndị wayo. If you want to know more about Multilife Foundation, you come to Adoration Ministry Umuchi Igbo Ijinike. You will hear more about Multilife Foundation. It's an NGO foundation founded by Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. This man has been there for years helping the poor. Oh, the ya ka ekwesịrị imegide video, share video ka Bill Gates no ya. The highest richest man in Nigeria, Dankote, this guy is Davido, Anoya is not only very dark man to compare to Father Mbaka. Father Mbaka is the only man. Go to banks, go to State Bank, go to Fidelity, go to Keystone, go to UBA, draw her. Students in our line and we check for the 1.something million, for the 500,000, 300,000, all depend the school, go na. Father Mbaka would the only man got put out today. You can go any school of your choice. He doesn't care. All he knows is to fit your bill. On ago fit your bill. On any guy and satisfied though for him fitting your bill. He will always say thank you for accepting my money. Now, we want people that will come in and help Rev Father Ejike Mbaka, Gino Adenuga, Dankote, and the rest of them. This message is going to you people. And all these people that claims that they have an NGO, Nigerian government, and all these things in Ine, Don Jazzy, some time ago, you invested more than 100 million to Very Dark Man. And I will encourage you, come and see where NGO, Less Privileged Foundation, is sincere in his own food cause. Rev Father Ejike Mbaka has been what? A part and parcel of the what? Less privileged people. Widows and widowers will testify to this. Orphans will testify to this. Go and ask questions. It's verifiable. It is verifiable. It is verifiable. Father Mbaka is out there to help the poor, the needy, and the less privileged. He pays hospital bill. He pays for house rent. He builds houses for those that doesn't have house. He marries for people. He sends people abroad for surgery, for medical treatment. He sends people abroad to go and play football, to any club of your choice. He sponsors people to education, both UK, Germany, Greece, Portugal, India, wherever you want to go and study. Father Mbaka is out there to sponsor you. Now we need people that will help Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. The foundation is expounding by the day. They have about more than 20 million people that Father Mbaka is sponsoring, not annually, daily basis. This man must remove more than 50 to 100 million on daily basis, helping people. If you want to be a part and parcel, if you want to reach out to Rev Father Ejike Mbaka, you can still come to Adoration Ministry Enugu, Nigeria, Umuchi Igbo Ijinike. It is located at Emene. I will still come up with more updates, more information about Multilife Foundation, Home for the Less Privileged, for you to be more updated. You can still DM me. I will direct you on how to come to Umuchi Igbo. You will see Rev Father Ejike Mbaka one-on-one, and you will talk with him. You can still meet the head of the Multilife servers, which is Onyeka. And you speak with him. They can still give you account where you will pay in your millions, like Don Jazzy has done to Very Dark Man, VDM. A lot of them, E-Money, KC, a lot of them, Dankote, Gino Adenuga, all these people, you can still come up. Through that place, these people, all these less privileged people, all these poor people will be praying for you on daily basis, and God will bless you. Be a part and parcel of Multilife Foundation, and don't fall a victim of the internet fraudsters. Father Mbaka don't own any orphanage home in Benin. The only orphanage home Father Mbaka owns today is Multilife Foundation, home for the less privileged. You can still come around and ask questions. Come on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and you will see the announcers announcing it and the available account to pay in for the foundation. Multilife Foundation will be given to you if you want to be a supporter of Multilife Foundation. You can still come with your trailers of rice, 2 trailers of load of yams, trailers of lapa, trailers of gari, beans, whatever you have, because on daily basis, Father Mbaka is sharing food for the less privileged. You come there, you see people walking around, people that doesn't have what they will eat, that is hoping and they believe in Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. During the time of offering and tithing, you see people that doesn't have, people that are in need coming up to the altar. Instead, they will be sowing seed, putting in their offering basket. Father Mbaka will be the one giving them, and they are going down with the money for them to find what they will eat. You see Father Mbaka paying hospital bills of people that deliver triplets, fourplets, twin, that has no money, that they have seized in the hospital, that the bill says too much on them. Father Mbaka goes around to hospitals looking for people that their hospital bills are on a high rank, and he pays their hospital bill and asks them to go home and still give them money to pay their house rent and for their feeding. You can still be a part and parcel of it. Ask questions, you will be directed. Father Mbaka is out there to receive whatever you bring for the less privileged. And to this Multilife Foundation, Home for the Less Privileged, needs international sponsors, both under ethnic communities. It's not only here in Nigeria. Please share this video and make this video to go viral. Don't fall a victim of scammers. Don't fall a victim of internet fraudsters. Listen to this video and get information. If you are confused about it, you can see DM me. I will direct you on how to link up to Adoration Ministry. Thank you and God.